Hey, my name's Daniel. You're watching Gizmo's Quick Tips. Don't forget to tune into our channel for more tech tips.
Hey there everyone, this is Daniel with the Neighborhood Nerds here to give you a few quick tips and tricks on how to avoid getting viruses on the internet. Now the reason I'm going over this today is because in the past month I've had to clean two Macs that had such deep-seated malware. I actually had to go in, spend about an hour on each, download anti-malware programs, remove files, wipe programs like Google Chrome, pull them completely out of the system directory, delete all the data that was associated with them, and even change some options in the system preferences and some really deep-seated malware that these people got because they did some of the things I'm going to show you in the video today. Now, it's really easy to get some of this malware in the internet, and a good way to get it is to go to sites like putlocker.com. Putlocker website online is what this one's called. And Putlocker is a site that is fairly well known for having free movies online. And they like to put malware on these because it's already a site that's got some stuff that probably shouldn't be on it. And what happens is you'll click, I want to go to the home page. You click on the home page, and you just get a splash screen that says your download is ready. Click download, and it'll say a lot of times you get this pop up. You gotta have it to continue. You want to watch your free movies, you gotta have this. You gotta download this Search Power. This is a big one. Search extensions, especially ones that aren't Google, Bing, Yahoo, anything that isn't one of the big ones, anything that is a generic search name, these are very often fraudulent. And what they do is they install an extension in your Google Chrome. It'll pop up here with your other extensions. And what that extension will do is it will route you away from Google into another search engine, sometimes Yahoo, sometimes a variant of Yahoo or Ask, just something else that will have a lot more ads, and your searches will be tracked. The reason they do this is to sell that information to advertisers and to skim for things like your credit card, your identity. Another thing you'll sometimes get is stuff like this. You'll click on take me to the home page, or you'll click on your movie and it will open up a new page that says you need to allow notifications to watch the video. These are also fake. They want to spam you with notifications until you go to a site where you can put in your data, where you can download stuff that is going to put malware on your computer, put viruses on your computer. Never allow these. As soon as you see them, click off of them. I'll get back to this one later. This is also a big one. The thing that got the two people that I have worked with in this month is this one. Your software may be out of date. Avoid security vulnerabilities, automatically update. Just download. You got to update your software to use this website. These are some of the worst ones, especially the ones that tell you need to update Adobe Flash. If you ever get a browser notification that it doesn't say allow Adobe Flash, it says you need to download an update manager or download an update to Adobe Flash, it is most likely fraudulent. The reason I say that these are fraudulent is because, for the most part, most people already have Flash installed, and you don't need to install an updater from a third-party website to update your Flash. Also, if you need to update Adobe Flash, you'll get a notification in your computer, not from a website. Thirdly, Adobe Flash is going away at the end of 2020, and it will no longer be in use. So there's really no reason for a site to require you to update it to a newer version. Also, if you did need to use it, you would, again, get a notification telling you to allow Adobe Flash to run. So that's a big one to look out for. Two people, like I said, have had serious malware because of Adobe Flash updaters. Another big one, download search converters, and again, search stuff like this. It'll tell you to add it to Chrome because you need to, and it'll make your searches easier. It doesn't. It's just malware. Now, if you have kids, big one, things that say it'll download a free game. All you have to do is click here to start the game. Click here to install. And let me refresh this page because I already clicked it. Yeah, if you click start game here, it's going to try to install Minecraft installer. It is not real. It is not really Minecraft. It is 100% malware, and it is 100% bad for your computer. So make sure your kids know to look out for free online game, stuff like that. Bad for your computer. And that's pretty much it. That covers most of what I wanted to go over to tell you about today. In another video, we'll go over how to remove malware like that, how to remove bad search extensions. But I hope this video has been helpful to you to help you avoid malicious extensions, malicious, software updaters and stuff like that on the internet. And I hope you have a great day.
Hope you all enjoyed that quick tech tip. Don't forget to like the video below and subscribe to the channel for more quick tips. Be sure to post any tech questions you have in the comments below. Also, check us out at www.neighborhoodnerds.com or on our Facebook and Twitter in the description. See you guys next time.